Alright guys, so right now this is the New Kingston Carpet Car Park. It's right literally behind the Burger King on Knutsford Boulevard. The entrance and exit to this car park is really on St. Lucia Avenue in New Kingston. So it's another drive-in video. So welcome back to the channel guys. We're now on St. Lucia Avenue and we're in New Kingston. So we're gonna be taking a left turn on Barbados Avenue. So in New Kingston, most of the street is named after Caribbean islands. So this is Barbados Avenue. So big up to everyone that's watching from Barbados. One of our regular subscriber, Dan Royd. I'm sure he's gonna leave a comment. He's from Barbados, so big up Dan Royd. He has a YouTube channel as well guys, where he showcases Barbados, similar to what I'm doing, so you can check him out. So that's Dan Royd. Alright guys, so this video and the channel Raymore Reviews is sponsored by Kris and Charles Investment Company Limited. So whatever your loan needs are, give them a check. So right now I'm on their website, krisandcharles.com. So that's KRISANCHARLES.com. Check them out. So they have all different type of loan: auto loan, EduPath loan, personal loan, house deposit loan, micro business loan, credit card refinancing, general expense, debt consolidation. So whatever the need is guys, you definitely check them. You may not need a loan, but a friend or family may need it, so give them a referral guys. So they have partnered with the channel, they have sponsored this video. They are showing the channel some love because of the awesome work we're doing, and we just showcase in Jamaica. So show them back some love. Follow them. Instagram will be in the link, Facebook will be in the link. Show them some love. I think it's called Dan Royd Travel Vlogs or something along that line. DANROYD, and I'm sure he'll be in the comments as well. What I'll do too is just to put your channel link, Dan Royd, in the comments. So we're on Knutsford Boulevard. So we came off Barbados Avenue, we're on Knutsford Boulevard, and we know this is the corporate district for Kingston. That was Scotia on the left, NCB on the right. Persons are already waiting to go in. It's around 8 o'clock and the banks open 8:30. So we're now on Trafalgar Road. So we started the video at that corporate car park. It's like a parking area, so it has different parking facilities, which really facilitate a lot of the workers for New Kingston. It has also a lot of multi-level parking as well, because some of the high-rise in Kingston may not have adequate parking, so the companies will rent space. So we started at that parking area, went on to St. Lucia Avenue, Barbados Avenue, Knutsford Boulevard, and now we're on Trafalgar Road, heading to New Kingston. So it's heading to Halfway Tree, my bad. So we're coming from New Kingston and we're heading to Halfway Tree. So we have Ruthven Road right here on the left, but we'll continue straight. So we'll continue on Trafalgar and make a turn at the intersection of Waterloo, Trafalgar, and Hope Road. So guys, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. You know, join the family. Turn that red subscribe button gray. Also leave a comment as well. You know, that really helps the channel. And like the video, share the video, and thanks for your support. So you know, we do a mixture of videos on the channel: driving videos, house review, new construction, road construction, new development. You know, we cover it all the great things happening in Jamaica. Check out Rush for more reviews. And just point of note, this is another construction, and then we have the Winchester Business Center on the left and Winchester Road. So it's a drive from New Kingston to Alpha Tree. We can call it a morning drive because it's not yet 9 o'clock. So it's a morning drive, bright and sunny. I'm going in the next lane so I can move from behind the bus so you guys can have a better view. So stay tuned, guys. Watch till the end. And again, thanks for all your support. Alright guys, so we're getting closer to the center of Alpha Tree, popular known as the Alpha Tree Clock. So I like that when I reach this area. So right here we have supermarkets, plazas, Clock Tower Plaza on the left, Bethel Baptist Church on the right. So this is another commercial area. And for all the persons overseas that probably don't visit, you know, Alpha Tree regularly, at least I get a chance to, you know, see what's happening in the morning in Alpha Tree. So we know traffic is always there, except probably, you know, with its curfew, or, you know, probably on a Sunday you have less traffic. So again, more plazas, Juice Beef, NCB coming up on the left, taxi stand on the right. You know, police have to maintain their presence because these taxi drivers are so unruly. So more plazas, more wholesale, restaurants. Taxis on the left are loading to go back to New Kingston. Then we have NCB on the left, and then the clock, the Halfway Tree Clock in front of us. Very iconic structure. So again guys, leave your comment, you know, whatever you think about the video, whatever you think about New Kingston Alpha Tree, just leave a comment. You know, comment help the engagement on the channel, and it also helps YouTube to push the video to persons that have never seen the channel as well. Like the video, it takes less than a second to like the video. And if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? So passing through the center of Alpha Tree, and we're on Oak Road. Which intersects with Compton Spring Road. More plazas on the left. York Plaza on the left. Mother's Restaurant. Alright guys, so happy to have done this quick drive with you guys. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll definitely see you guys on another video.